Johnson here in the F-4E Phantom II with the first in a series of tutorials on this aircraft, this one being the quick cold start tutorial. Alright, let's fire this thing up. Only a few key bindings for today: right and left engine ignition and right and left engine detent, and that's it. Go ahead and put your helmet on to get that out of the way. Left and right engine master switches on. Adjust the screen so that you can see the engine RPM, temperature, your throttle, and the engine start switch all at the same time. You can start this engine two ways. If you've got a ground crew, you can use their air compressor. If you do not have a ground crew, you can use an air canister, and we'll go through both of those. For now, let's pull up the Jester menu, the A button, go to Crew Chief, Air Source, and connect to the right engine.
Roger.
Wait for confirmation.
Connected it on the right.
Start airflow.
Done.
The RPMs will slowly increase on the right engine at this point. Give it some fuel with right engine idle detent or right control end. Press and hold the right engine ignition or right control home. You'll see a temperature spike. Right engine start with the right mouse button. And there we go, the right engine is fired up. Pull the Jester menu back up. Go to Crew Chief, Air Source, Stop airflow.
Yep, done.
Connect the left engine.
Roger.
Wait for confirmation.
Connected on the left.
Start airflow.
And done.
The RPMs will slowly increase on the left engine. Give it some fuel with the left engine idle detent or right alt end. Press and hold the left engine ignition or right alt home, and you'll see an engine heat spike, and left engine start with the left mouse button. And there we have it, left engine started. Bring the Jester menu back up, go to Crew Chief, Air Source, Stop airflow.
And done.
Now I've delayed turning on the generators because Jester is chomping at the bit to do an INS alignment, so let's turn those on. Left and right generators on.
Which alignment do you want?
We're going to go with the basic alignment.
Alrighty, bath alignment, here we go. You got the jennies going? I can start the alignment. Roger.
Let's close our canopy to quiet things down.
Canopy down and locked. Lights out and stripes are aligned.
That will take Jester a bit, so let's do our post startup on the left hand side. Turn all three stability switches on: pitch, roll, and yaw. Press the static pressure reset button. Oxygen on and set to normal. Anti-skid switch on. And give yourself a little downward trim also. And flaps down.
Slats out, sir. Flaps down.
All of our warning lights are off. Nice. That takes care of the left side. Turn on and crank up all the interior lights. Right click and hold on this dial to sync your gyros. That should be good. Make sure all your transponders are on and set your IFF to standby. Set the radio to transmit receive plus guard. TCN to transmit and receive, and set the channel you want. Reset the master caution light.
Alignment completed. You can go primary sync now. Alright, ready to taxi.
Okay, alignment complete. Let's continue. Set the gun sight to standby or cage. Turn the altimeter on and set your warning level. Reset the altimeter by pressing this switch and holding it until the standby flag goes away. Uncage your backup ADI and set the reference system to primary and let that stabilize. Turn the display screen to radar. Pull up the Jester menu. Go to Crew Chief, Wheel Chocks, Remove.
Roger. Wheel chocks out. Chocks out. Okay, sir, you're all set. Have a safe flight. Disconnecting.
We're good to taxi. Let's go over the air cartridge start method real quick like. Okay, the only difference is going to be your air source, so we're going to turn the engine master switch left and right on. We're going to pull up the Jester menu. We're going to go to Crew Chief, Air Source, and ask them to load the air cartridges.
Roger. Cartridges are loaded.
Same process, give the right engine some fuel with right control end, and press and hold right control home for ignition. Right click on the engine start will set off the air canister. RPMs are coming up. Wait for your heat spike. Release the engine ignition button. And we should be good. Repeat for the left engine. Give it some fuel with right alt end. Press and hold right alt home. And left mouse click on the engine start. RPMs are coming up. We have our heat spike. Release the engine ignition button. Press and hold the nose wheel steering and move out.
Alrighty, let's go flying, buddy.
Like and subscribe. Hope to see you on the game server. Johnson out.